glad to be spending our Valentine's Day together.
Yup.
I'm serious, we have a special bond.
How?
You care about me, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh my god, what the heck was that? You probably just locked the dog in the bathroom again.
I never did that before.
You do that all the time.
No, I don't.
Well, then what could it have been?
I'm scared.
I'll go check it out.
Okay.
Baby? Oh my god, what was that? Oh my god! Oh my god, this is bad. Oh my god! Oh my god! My love is dead! I need to get out of this place! The damn car, it won't start! It won't start! My car won't start! Oh my god!
Revenge.